Houston homeowners know the challenges that come with living along the Gulf Coast. From intense summer heat and high humidity to sudden storms and heavy rainfall, your home's windows play a major role in comfort, energy efficiency, and protection. If you're considering upgrading your windows, Casement Windows offer several advantages that are especially well suited to Houston's climate. Here's why more homeowners are choosing Casement Windows for long-term performance and everyday comfort. Superior ventilation for humid conditions. Houston's humidity can feel overwhelming, especially during the long summer months. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining indoor comfort and reducing that heavy, sticky feeling inside your home. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward like a door, allowing the entire window opening to catch passing breezes. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, which only open halfway, Casement windows provide nearly full ventilation. This design makes it easier to direct fresh air into your home and improve cross-ventilation throughout your living space. Better airflow can help reduce reliance on air conditioning during milder days, improve indoor air quality, and create a fresher, more comfortable environment. Excellent energy efficiency in extreme heat. Houston summers are known for relentless heat. Keeping cool air inside and hot air outside is a priority for homeowners looking to manage energy bills. Casement windows are designed to seal tightly when closed. The sash presses firmly against the frame, creating an airtight seal that reduces air leakage. This is a major advantage over some traditional window styles that may allow small drafts over time. When paired with energy-efficient glass options such as low-E coatings and insulated frames, Casement windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. That means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, potentially lowering monthly energy costs and reducing strain on your equipment. Strong protection against storms and heavy rain. Houston weather can change quickly. Tropical storms, strong winds, and heavy rainfall are common throughout the year. Windows must be durable enough to handle these conditions. Because casement windows close tightly and lock at multiple points along the frame, they offer excellent resistance to wind and water infiltration. When properly installed, they create a strong barrier against driving rain. Some impact-resistant options are also available for homeowners seeking added storm protection. The secure design not only protects against weather but also helps minimize the risk of moisture intrusion that can lead to mold growth, a serious concern in humid climates like Houston. Enhanced security for peace of mind. Security is always a top priority for homeowners. Casement windows feature hook-shaped locks embedded within the frame, making them more difficult to pry open from the outside. The multi-point locking system adds an extra layer of protection compared to some traditional window styles. When fully closed and locked, casement windows sit flush within the frame, reducing vulnerabilities. This added security provides peace of mind while maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your home. Clear views and increased natural light. Casement windows typically have fewer muntins, the bars dividing window panes, which means less visual obstruction and more glass area. For Houston homeowners who enjoy natural light and outdoor views, this is a major benefit. Larger, unobstructed panes allow sunlight to brighten your interior spaces, creating a more open and inviting atmosphere. Increased natural light can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Easy operation and accessibility. Casement windows are operated using a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close. This feature is especially helpful for windows placed in hard-to-reach areas, such as above kitchen sinks or countertops. The smooth opening mechanism allows for better control over airflow while remaining convenient for homeowners of all ages. Long-term value and curb appeal. In addition to performance benefits, casement windows offer a clean, modern look that complements a wide range of architectural styles. Their sleek design enhances curb appeal while delivering practical advantages. Because of their energy efficiency, durability, and secure design, casement windows can also add long-term value to your home. Buyers in Houston appreciate features that improve comfort and lower operating costs, making window upgrades a smart investment. When it comes to handling Houston's heat, humidity, and storms, casement windows stand out as a versatile and reliable option. From improved ventilation and energy efficiency to enhanced security and storm resistance, they provide a well-rounded solution tailored to the demands of Gulf Coast living. If you're planning a window upgrade, casement windows are worth serious consideration for both immediate comfort and long-term performance.